Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable announce calls, or if you receive any call then Siri will announce the name of that caller. So if you want to enable this option, so you have to go to settings and now you have to find Siri and search. If you scroll down then you will find Siri and search. Click on it. Here you can see there is option of announce calls. Just click on it. Now it may be selected to headphones and car or never by default, so you have to choose always. Now if you receive any call on your phone, then the Siri will announce the name of that caller. You can choose it to headphone and car, so that the Siri will announce the caller name. If you are on headphones or in car, you can choose it to headphones only, or you can select never, so it will turn off. So let's select always, and now Siri will announce every caller. So this is how you can enable announce calls on your iPhone. If you want to disable it, so you can do is go to announce call and click select it to never. So this is how you can enable an announce call on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.